Welcome, friends. Feeling isolated in your spiritual journey can be challenging, but it's an experience that can lead to remarkable personal growth. One of the first reasons the universe may be isolating you is to encourage you to develop a profound relationship with yourself. Loneliness, though uncomfortable, can serve as a catalyst for self-discovery. During moments of solitude, you have the opportunity to listen to your inner voice without the distractions of external influences. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. In this quiet space, you can begin to answer questions about your true self. Who are you when nobody's watching? What are your deepest desires, fears, and hopes? These answers lie within you, waiting to be uncovered. Importantly, as you become more comfortable with who you are, you'll find that you need less external validation, leading to increased self-reliance and personal fulfillment. In a world filled with societal pressures and the expectations of others, it's common to lose sight of your authentic self. However, solitude provides a precious opportunity to reclaim your true identity. When you're constantly surrounded by people, it's easy to adopt their beliefs and behaviors. In solitude, it's as if the universe hands you a blank canvas, inviting you to paint your own picture. During this period of self-reflection, you can reevaluate your beliefs, question your assumptions, and decide whether they genuinely align with your inner self. Solitude acts as a detox for your soul, helping you shed borrowed skins and embrace your unique identity. It's a powerful process of self-realization that sets the stage for a more authentic and fulfilling life. Another profound reason behind the universe's isolation may be to equip you with essential life skills and empower you to navigate life's challenges independently. Solitude is like a crash course in self-empowerment, teaching you to solve problems and make decisions without relying on a safety net. In your solitude, you learn to take care of your own well-being, both physically and emotionally. This newfound independence isn't about becoming a loner, but rather about developing the confidence and resilience to thrive in any circumstance. When you trust yourself to navigate life's complexities, you become less dependent on others to complete you or solve your problems. This preparation in solitude ultimately leads to more enriching relationships. As you become comfortable and secure in your own skin, you attract people who complement your life rather than complicate it. Your interactions are no longer rooted in neediness, but in genuine connection and mutual growth. While spiritual isolation can feel like abandonment, it may actually be a divine invitation to strengthen your spiritual connection. In the silence of solitude, you can discover a truth that often eludes you in the hustle and bustle of daily life. You are never truly alone. The universe, God, or your chosen higher power is waiting to co-pilot your journey. During your alone time, you are naturally drawn to practices that nourish your soul, such as prayer, meditation, or delving into sacred texts. These practices resonate with something deep within you, and they provide a sense of peace that surpasses any worldly pleasure. This inner peace becomes your sanctuary and a wellspring of strength. Your heightened sensitivity during solitude enables you to perceive subtle messages and signs from the divine that you might have previously overlooked. These messages often manifest as synchronicities, dreams, or intuitive insights. Your deepened relationship with your spiritual guides allows you to recognize and trust these divine nudges, guiding you in the right direction. Life's deepest wounds, often referred to as traumas, have a way of lingering within us, affecting our relationships, goals, and self-perception. The universe might isolate you to address these unresolved traumas, whether they are individual, generational, invisible chains that bind us, preventing us from reaching our full potential. However, in solitude, you are provided with the perfect environment to address and heal these wounds. It's a profound transformational process where you not only stop the cycle of pain but reverse it, turning years or even centuries of suffering into wisdom. The universe entrusts you with the task of becoming the chain breaker in your family or lineage. You have the awareness and the spiritual tools to face and heal these traumas. Solitude becomes your sacred workshop for this monumental task, allowing you to emerge not broken but whole, ready to share your newfound wisdom and healing with the world. It's crucial to understand that the universe has a master plan, and your period of solitude is a crucial chapter in your life story. While it may seem like a challenging and isolating phase, it's essential to believe in the process and, most importantly, in your own capacity to emerge stronger. This phase isn't about escaping life's challenges. It's about transcending them through a heightened connection with the divine. The universe may test you, but it also believes in your power to heal, love, and transform. Your aloneness now is a gift to the future, a gift of healing, self-discovery, and enlightenment. Embrace this unique moment in your life. Treasure it as a sacred gift that will equip you with the strength and wisdom to navigate the challenges that lie ahead. Know that you are never truly alone. You are always in the loving embrace of a universe that believes in your capacity for growth and transformation. Has solitude led to profound changes in your life? Have you discovered hidden strengths or encountered moments of divine guidance? Your insights and experiences can be a source of encouragement and enlightenment for the entire community. Remember, the Divine Spirit is always with you, guiding you on your path. Embrace your solitude as a gift, and have faith in your ability to emerge from it stronger, wiser, and more connected to your true self. While solitude can bring about profound transformations, it's important to acknowledge that it can also be a challenging and sometimes lonely experience. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, frustrated, or even disheartened during moments of isolation. However, it's essential to understand that these emotions are also part of the process. Navigating the challenges of solitude can be an opportunity for further growth and self-discovery. It's during these difficult moments that you can truly test your resilience and determination. The universe is not isolating you to break you, but to build you into a stronger and more enlightened version of yourself. If you find yourself struggling with the isolation, consider seeking support from a trusted friend, family member, or a spiritual mentor. Connecting with others who have gone through similar experiences can provide you with guidance and reassurance. Remember that you are never truly alone, and there are resources available to help you through this journey. One of the most challenging aspects of solitude in your spiritual journey is the uncertainty it brings. You may not always understand why you're going through this phase, and you might be unsure of what lies ahead. However, it's important to embrace the unknown and trust in the divine plan. Uncertainty is a powerful teacher. It encourages you to let go of control and surrender to the flow of life. In these moments, you can develop a deep sense of trust in the universe and in your own inner wisdom. Remember that the universe has a plan for you, and even when you can't see the whole picture, you are being guided towards growth and enlightenment. Embracing the unknown can be a beautiful and transformative experience. It allows you to release the need for certainty and instead focus on the present moment. In this state of surrender, you can find peace and acceptance, which are essential elements of your spiritual journey. As you journey through the phases of solitude, it's crucial to apply the lessons you've learned to your everyday life. The insights gained during this period are not meant to be confined to isolation. They are meant to enrich your interactions, cultivate your relationship with yourself, even as you reconnect with others. Remember that your authentic self is a source of strength and wisdom. Stay committed to your newfound independence and self-empowerment, making decisions and setting boundaries that honor your self-worth. Deepen your spiritual connection by integrating your spiritual practices into your daily routine. These practices can serve as anchors, providing you with guidance and peace in the midst of life's challenges. Share your wisdom and healing with others, becoming a source of inspiration and support for those around you. Your spiritual journey is a lifelong process, and the phases of solitude are just one part of the larger picture. Embrace each moment as an opportunity for growth and transformation. There will be times when you feel connected and times when you feel isolated, but all experiences contribute to your evolution. Remember that you are never alone on this journey. The universe, the divine, or your chosen higher power is always with you, guiding you and offering support. Trust in the process, have faith in your own inner wisdom, and continue to seek understanding and enlightenment. As you navigate this journey, Remember that you are never truly alone. The universe, the divine, or your chosen higher power is always by your side, guiding you towards a place of greater understanding and enlightenment. Trust in the process, have faith in yourself, and continue to apply the lessons of solitude to your everyday life. You must watch our latest video on the topic. Transform your world with the ultimate reality reshaping technique. In this video, we will be telling about the art of shaping your reality perception and see the world through a new lens. It's time to break free from the limitations that hold you back. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. May your journey through spiritual isolation lead you to a place of deep inner peace, wisdom, and love. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the transformative power of solitude on your spiritual journey.